Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from the Half Century of Progress show in Rantoul, Illinois. This big event that takes place every 2 years attracts over 100,000 visitors and has over 1,000 pieces of farm machinery on display. A big part of this farming event every 2 years is the field demonstrations that take place on over 200 acres at the Rantoul Aviation Center. In this video, I wanted to show you some of the standout John Deere tractors that were either big four-wheel drives or unique row crop tractors at this year's show. So let's head out to the field so you can see and hear these green tractors taking part in the tillage demonstration. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this small sampling of some of the John Deere tractors that took part in the 2019 tillage demonstrations at the Half Century of Progress show. If you would like to attend this show in person, mark your calendars for August 26th through the 29th, 2021. If you would like to learn more about the show, visit halfcenturyofprogress.com. I'll put a link to their website in the description area of this video. If you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about the video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.